Okay, we're going to finish up 2.1 with just a couple more PEMDAS problems. So this is the end of 2.1 part C. So let's look at this one. 2 to the third power minus 12 divided by 9 minus 5 in parentheses. So again, if you have your PEMDAS notes in front of you, you know we're going to do this first. Parentheses are number 1. So this is first. So 9 minus 5 is just 4. And like I said before, bring everything down, stay organized. And I'm going to replace this by a 4 and bring everything else down. Okay, what am I going to do second? Am I going to do exponent, subtract, or division? So second is always exponents, so I'm going to do this next. And what's 2 times 2 times 2? 2 times 2 is 4, times 2 is 8. So it's not 6, it's not 2 times 3, but think of it as 2 times 2 times 2. So that's 8. Okay, and I've got left subtraction and division. So looking at the PEMDAS notes, multiply, divide is third. So I'm going to do that next. What's 12 divided by 4? That's just 3. Okay, and last is add, subtract. We have no add, but we have a subtraction. So 8 minus 3 is just 5. And that's our answer. Let's try another one. Okay, I have no parentheses. I don't have any exponents either. So what are you going to do first? Are you going to do the division first or the times first? Well, we talked about that. And a lot of people think since the M comes before the D on the PEMDAS that we do multiply first. But that is not true. We have to do multiply, divide, whoever comes first going left to right. So we've got to do the division first because it comes first. So we're doing 20 divided by 5, which is 4. And again, I'm bringing the rest of my steps down. And do we do the 4 plus 6 or do we do the 6 times 5? Well, we did the division. Now we're going to do the multiplication. So we're going to do the multiplication second. So what's 6 times 5? That's 30. And I bring the 4 down. What's 4 plus 30? That's the very last step. That's 34. And that's the answer. What if I had something like this? I've got no parentheses, but I do have exponents. So we're going to go left to right. So 4 squared is 4 times 4, which is 16. And we still have an exponent. We have 5 squared. So we're going to do that next. And 5 squared is just 5 times 5. And 5 times 5 is 25. Okie doke. So am I going to add or multiply? So you're correct if you said multiply, because that's number 3. That's the third thing we do. So 25 times 3, 5 times 3 is 15. Carry the 1. 2 times 3 is 6 and 1 is 7. So 25 times 3 is 75. And last, I'm going to add these two together. And 16 and 75, let's see. $11, carry the 1, is 91. So 91 is my answer. And I'm going to do just one more. What if you had something like that? Well, we're going to do the parentheses first, because that's according to PEMDAS. So we're going to do the 3 plus 4, because that's inside the parentheses. We're going to do that first. And 3 plus 4 is 7. And this squared is going to come over and be the exponent on top of the 7. So we do exponents next. And this is just 7 times 7, which is 49, which is my answer. So try those. There's a bunch of these on the WebAssign homework. And if you get stuck, let me know. So that's it for 2.1.